Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh guys. Kusoo dhawaada channelkayna SM magacayga waa Shucayb and
Madina.
maanta waxaan rabnaa inaan sameeyno suul la'aan challenge waxa la dhahayo. Suulkan ayaa macnaha koolo lagu dhajinayaa and then after that waxaan fiirinaynaa hadii waxyaalaha inta oo yaalo inaan hadin sameeyna karno. Whoever wins like qofkii oo macnaha oo reeyo either prize ayuu dooranaya misna punishment macnaha inqaab misna macnaha oo misna hadiyad. As you see, hadda waxa way suul la'aan suul ma la haysto. She's gonna write her name Madina and I will write Shu'aib, and then after we finish warqadda dhexda la kala goyna. Ma fahant?
Okay.
1 2 3 go. I finished it. I won. Challenge 2. macnaha kabahan ayaa macnaha la xiraya ninkii hor dhameey way. Okay, 1 2 3 go. Okay.
Well, my thumb, I think you made it super tight. It's hurting me, Kige.
Do I care? Challenge 3. We're gonna peel off the banana and then eat it. Peel off the banana, eat it. Put it down. Make your horse the mayo one. 1 2 3 go. You have it. You have some there.
No, I don't. Nope.
Okay.
Shit.
I'm gonna give you 1 point for that one. Well.
The last one.
Challenge 4. Hold it.
Yo, I swallowed it.
Okay. Inta kulidonaya. Nikki has the most way.
When my suka is hurting.
Hal gacan la isticmaalo.
Hal xabbi la kulide.
Nikki was 1 2 3 go. Kow, laba, saddex. meeqa kan
63.
you win
ولا I'm ready to play. What are we doing?
ninkii bahashan furo waay oo
Completely.
ha 1 2 3 go okay bahalkan la bill off garena kiga ready buwan whatever 1 2 3 go Woo! 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 Okay. ايقر 5 Cutting potato in half.
لما لك
1 wait a big bulk 1 2 3 go whatever. I give you that point. I think we're done here, right? Oh, 1 2 3 go.
You made my hands tight. I can't even feel my nails.
Ooh, give me this point. 6. So the score is 6-3. I am the winner.
Ashy.
Wow, look at this, guys. Look at that. Her henna came off.
It's crazy. That's easy way to remove your henna is a tape.
Yep.
Yeah.
So the score is 6-3. 6-3. So I'm the winner.
Congratulations.
Your punishment is we will do our punishment in our next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and
Like, comment, and turn on your gambalel.
gambaleel. Okay, gambaleelkana taabta qulq kasi every time video uu soo baxo uu nii soo gaarayaa si dhaqso badan. Hana misgareynina insha Allah. Haddaad cusub qabtin concern confuse kulli waxa ku soo qortiin meesha comment below. waxaan igu macsaleemayaa salaanta muslimka. Assalamu alaikum
Wa rahmatullahi
wa barakatuh.